Hi, Jammers. Look what I'm on. Well, this is not my den. This is just someone else's den. And she said, and I'm attracted there because there's shop. You can trade, shop, and role play. But there's nobody here. There's literally nobody here, which is really weird. Let me just jump down for a second. I'm going to do LOL. And if you don't want the LOL to work, you just use these words. I know guest jammers are annoying. Really annoying. I don't know why are they annoying. Oh my. Oh, if you're looking for that animal, you can probably get for 1,000 sapphires in winter. Probably by Christmas time he'll be there. But I don't know because I never looked into that. Because last winter I was just playing Animal Jam, learning about Animal Jam, and being a guest jammer. But I wasn't that annoying. Ooh. No. Yes, I don't have any of these. Well, that's the end. I'm now going to one of my buddies' places. Bye. And if you want to buddy in me in Animal Jam, my buddy list is full right now. I'll tell you when it's not full. And my username is PeaceLoveX. Bye.